Ever wondered how to change your car's engine oil? It's a task that seems daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of know-how, anyone can master it. Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to change your car's engine oil. Picture this, you're in your driveway ready to get your hands dirty. The first thing you'll need is the right tools. These include a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a funnel, and of course the new oil. Make sure to consult your car's manual to know the right type of oil and filter for your vehicle. Step 1. Start your car's engine. Let it run for a few minutes. This warms up the oil, allowing it to drain more easily, but remember, safety first. Don't let the engine get too hot. Step 2. Position your drain pan under the oil drain plug. This is typically located at the bottom of the engine. Use your wrench to loosen the plug. Be careful, the oil might be hot. Step 3. Let the oil drain into the pan. This might take a few minutes, so patience is key here. Once the oil is drained, replace the drain plug. Step 4. Now it's time to remove the old oil filter. Using your oil filter wrench, twist off the old filter. Remember to keep your drain pan under the filter as it will still have some oil in it. Step 5. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a little oil to the gasket on the top of the filter. This helps to seal it properly. Screw the new filter into place by hand. Step 6. With the drain plug and new filter in place, it's time to add the new oil. Remove the oil fill cap from the top of the engine. Place your funnel in the opening and slowly pour in the new oil. Step 7. Replace the oil fill cap and start your engine. Let it run for a minute to circulate the new oil. Check the oil level using the dipstick. If needed, add more oil. And there you have it. In 7 easy steps, you've successfully changed your car's engine oil. To recap, you'll start by warming up the engine, then drain the old oil. Next, you'll remove and replace the old oil filter. Finally, you'll add the new oil and check the oil level. Remember, changing your engine oil is not only a cost-effective skill, but it also extends the life of your car. So next time your car needs an oil change, why not give it a try? You might surprise yourself with your newfound mechanical prowess. Thank you for joining us on this step-by-step journey. Until next time, keep those engines purring